formulas or results. So let us start. Limit and continuity. See, suppose there is one function f of x equal to something. Now the question is, what is the definition of function? So in simple terms, we can say that function is the relationship. It shows the relationship. Function, it shows the relationship among the variables. Variables are normally denoted by x, y, z, or x1, x2, x3. These are, either you can consider this as variable, or you can say that they are the observations of variable. That is also possible. So what is function? Once again, so function is nothing but the relationship among the variables. Now relation, what is relation? So if something is depends on someone, then we can say that there is some relation between that two things. Same way, let us say x is height, y is weight. So we can say that there is a relation
Mm-hmm.
between height and weight. Let us say x is revenue and y is the profit. So we can say that there is a relation between revenue and profit. Let us say x is the, okay. Now x or y, they are variable. Let us take one more example, x and y, demand and supply. So we can say that there is some relation between demand and supply. Now that relation between demand and supply, if we convert in mathematical form, then that mathematical form is known as the function. So what is function in simple language? Function is the mathematical relationship between, or maybe there are more than two variables. So between two variables or more than two variables. Sometimes this is the function like z equal to 5x square plus 3xy minus 2y square. So this is function of two variables x and y. Here you can say that x and y, let us say x is rainfall, y is, let us say, fertilizer. So by using these two variables, we are able to get the answer of third variable, let us say yield of crop. So yield of crop is depends on two variables x and y. X is rainfall and y is the fertilizer, or you can say that fertility of the land, or you can say that y is the skill of the farmer and x is the availability of water supply. So the yield of crop is depends on these two variables x and y. If we are able to convert that relationship into some mathematical form, then that mathematical form is known as the function. There are different type of functions. Let us say y equal to 3x plus 5. This is known as linear function. Here the power of x is 1. So it is known as linear function. Y equal to the function which is in form of like this, ax square plus bx plus c. Linear function, the general form is denoted by y equal to a plus bx or ax plus b. It's same thing. Either you can write like this, a plus bx, or ax plus b, both are considered as the linear function because the power of x is 1. Here power of x is 2, so it is known as quadratic function. Same way it's like this, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So this is known as cubic function. Function is also denoted by f of x like this. So f of x or y, it is considered same thing. Here y is known as the function of x. There is a function like this. There is some function like this, y f of x equal to or y equal to 3x cube minus 8x upon 9x plus 5. So this is known as algebraic function. One another function, maybe you heard this type of function frequently nowadays, which is known as exponential function, like 3 raised to x. Now this is y equal to 3 raised to x. What is x and what is y? So you can say that x is number of days and y is number of patients or number of persons having positive corona. So this is the exponential function 2 raised to x. So nowadays you heard for this type of function there is an exponential growth in the case of positive corona, where x is number of days and y equal to number of positive cases of corona. So there is a exponential function. So when if it is like this, e raised to x, this is also exponential function, but this is one special type of exponential function where e is fixed 2.7183. so this is exponential function. There are another type of functions like logarithm function, y f of x equal to log x. This is, you can say that, logarithm function. So number of types of functions are there. Now let us discuss one simple function, f of x equal to x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. This is one function. Now if there is a question, let us say this is y equal to f of x equal to x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. Now this is one function where x is, let us assume, supply and y is price, or x is, let us say, price and y is demand. So there is some relation between price and supply, price and demand, height and weight. So this is some mathematical form of that one. Now there is a question, what is the value of y when x equal to 2? What is the value of y when x equal to, let us say, 5? That means we want to find out f of 5. Meaning of that is, if x is 5, what is the value of y? So putting x equal to 5 here, we get 25 minus 4 upon 5 minus 2. So the answer is 21 by 3. That means what? 7. Now if there is a question, find out f of 8. What does it mean? If x equal to 8, what is the value of y? So put x equal to 8. we get 64 minus 4. Why 64? 8 square 64 upon 8 minus 2. So we get 60 divided by 6. The answer is 10. If there is a question, find f of minus 3. So we have to put x equal to minus 3. In this, we have to put x equal to minus 3. So the answer is 9 minus 4 upon minus 3 minus 2. The answer for that is 5 divided by minus 5. The answer is minus 1. Now, if there is a question, find out f of 0. So put x equal to 0. Here put x equal to 0. So we get 0 minus 4 upon 0 minus 2. The answer is minus 4 upon minus 2. The answer is 2. If there is a question, find out f of 2. Find out f of 2. So put x equal to 2 here. So 2 square 4 minus 4 upon 2 minus 2. So we get 4 minus 4 upon 2 minus 2. So the answer for that is 0 by 0. And if we have answer 0 by 0, please bear in mind 0 by 0 is not 0. It is not 0. 0 by 0 is not 0. Then 0 by 0 is not infinite. Then obviously 0 by 0, if we cancel this, we get 1. This is very, very bad thinking. It is not like this. You cannot cancel 0, 0. So the question is now, what is 0 by 0? If we put x equal to 2, once again, if we put x equal to 2 in this, we get 2 square 4 minus 4, that is 0, 2 minus 2, that is 0. So ultimately we get answer 0 by 0. So we can say that f of 2 is 0 by 0. But the question is, what is 0 by 0? And the answer for that is 0 by 0 is not 0, not infinite, not 1. 0 by 0 is considered as undefined term. Undefined, meaningless. That means f of 2 is not defined. Now the question is, if x is 2, what is the value of y? And the answer is, if x is 2, y is undefined, because we get answer 0 by 0. Maybe many of you have a question like that, sir, if we factorize this, then we get x minus 2 and we get x plus 2, and here there is x minus 2 is there. So after cancellation of this, our answer is x plus 2. So if we put x equal to 5, we get direct 5 plus 2, 7. If we put x equal to 8, we get 8 plus 2, 10. If we put x equal to minus 3, so we get minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. If we put 0, then we get 0 plus 2, that is 2. So if we put 2, we get 2 plus 2, 4. So we can say that f of 2 equal to 4. Now the question is, now my question is, listen, the most important question for me is, by putting x equal to 5 here or here, my answer is 7. By putting x equal to 8 in this function or in this function, my answer remains same, 10. By putting minus 3 in this or in this, my answer remains same, minus 1. By putting 0 here or here, my answer remains same, 2. But if I put 2 in this, I will get answer meaningless, undefined, 0 by 0. And by putting 2 here, we get 2 plus 2, 4. So we have two answers here for f of 2. If we put in this, we get one answer. If we put here, we get another answer. Whereas instead of 2, if we put any number, we get the same answer in both the case. See, put x equal to, let us say, 10. So if we put 10 here, 10 square, 100, 100 minus 4, 96, 10 minus 2, that is 8. 96 divided by 8, that is 12. And here, if we put 10, 10 plus 2, 12. In both the case, we get answer 12. Let us put here minus 2. Let us put minus 2. Then see what we get. If we put minus 2, minus 2 square, that is 4. 4 minus 4, that is 0. And minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2, minus 2, that is minus 4. So if we put x equal to minus 2 in this, we get 2 square, 4 minus 4, 0. And here we get minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4. So the answer for that is 0. And if we put here x equal to minus 2, putting x equal to minus 2, get minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. That means in this case minus 2 also. In all cases we have same answer except 2. By putting 2, we get answer 0 by 0, and here we get answer 4. So the question is, what is the correct answer? Which one is correct answer? Once again, if f of x equal to x square minus 4 upon x minus 2, if we put here x equal to 2, we get answer 0 by 0. But if we factorize this, x minus 2, x plus 2, that is factor, upon x minus 2, and if we cancel, and then if we put x equal to 2, we get 2 plus 2, 4 answer. Now my question is, which one is the correct answer, 0 by 0 or 4? So many of you might think that this 4 is correct answer. Why? So you find nothing wrong in it this. Okay, many of you maybe think that this one is correct. The reason? What is wrong in it this? If we put x equal to 2, we get answer 0 by 0. So nothing wrong in it this. And now there is a conflict between these two answers. Here the concept of limit comes. Here the concept of limit we have to introduce. For this type of situation, the concept of limit is considered the most important thing. Okay, one more thing. Listen carefully. This is not the correct answer. You can't do like this. Now if there is a question, why sir, what is wrong in this? So see, if there is a something like this, 0 into 4 divided by 0, and if we cancel this and if we write answer 4, then it's totally rubbish. That is totally wrong. You cannot cancel 0 like this, and that is why this is wrong answer, because by putting 2 here we get 2 minus 2 0, here also 2 minus 2 0, and if we cancel this 0 0, and then after if we write the answer 2 plus 2 4, then it is obviously not the correct answer. You can't cancel this 0 0. But see the concept of limit, instead of 0, if it is 0.0001 into 4 divided by 0.0001, it is possible to cancel this and it is possible to write the answer 4. Okay, not only this, if it is like this 0.000001 into 4 divided by 0.000001, same, then you can cancel this, you can write answer 4. But if it is like this 0 into 4 upon 0, and if you cancel this and if you write answer 4, then it is wrong. So see one more thing, instead of this, it is, if it is like this 0.1 raised to 20 into 4 divided by 0.1 raised to 20, then also it is possible to cancel and we get the answer 4. Now see, if you have a calculator, you can calculate the value of 0.1 raised to 20. In your calculator, you will get answer 0. Check it if you want to verify. If you calculate 0.1 raised to 20, you will get answer 0. But this is in fact not 0. And because it's not 0, it is possible to cancel. But if it is actually 0, then it is not possible to cancel. And this small concept is known as limit. This small concept is known as limit. Now what is limit? So once again, let us discuss the same question. F of x equal to x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. You can say that it is nothing but x minus 2 and x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. That is okay. But now you cannot cancel this if x is 2. Means if x is 2, it is not possible to cancel this. And in that case, if we put x equal to 2, we get here 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. But you cannot cancel this. And here 0 and this is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 into 0, you will get 0. And ultimately we get answer 0 by 0. That means f of 2 is not possible to calculate. But except 2, let us say x is equal to 10. So you can write 10, 10 minus 2, 8, 10 minus 2, 8, 8, 8 cancel, and 10 plus 2, 12 is the answer. If you put 0, you can write 0 here, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 minus 2 cancel, 0 plus 2, you will get 2. Means what? You cannot cancel this if x is 2, but you can cancel this if x is not 2. And this simple concept is nothing but limit. How? But here it is, we have to study in a slight different way. See how to study. Just think different values of x and find out the different values of f of x. Now see, if x is, let us say 2.1. So if we put 2.1 here, 2.1 minus 2, that is 0.1. 2.2 minus 2, sorry, that is 0.1. 0.1, 0.1 cancel. And 2.1 plus 2, we get the answer 4.1. If we put 2.01, so if we put 2.01, we get 2.01 minus 2, that is 0.01. Here also 0.01, that is cancel, and we get the answer 4.01. If we put 2.0001, we get answer 4.0001. If we put 2.00, 0.00001. 6 zeros. You will get answer 4.0000001. If we put x equal to 1.99, now listen, 1.99 minus 2, that is minus 0.01. There also we get minus 0.01. It is cancelled and we get answer 3.99. If we put 1.9999, we get answer 3.9999. If we put here 1.999999, here we get answer 3.9999999. So from this we get little bit idea that this value is very nearer to 2. 1.99999, that is you can consider as 2. Then answer is 3.9999999, that is you can say that 4. So we can say that it is not exactly 2 but equivalent to, it is nearly 2. And here we get it is nearer to 4. Same thing, this number, it's 2.00000, it's nothing but very nearer to 2. And in normal case we can say that in that case this number is very nearer to 4. That is why we can say that as x is very nearer to 2, which is denoted like this, x tends to 2. If x is very nearer to 2, f of x tends to 4, which is means very nearer to 4. So we can say that limiting value of the function when x is 2 is 4, and it is denoted by limit x tends to 2 f of x equal to 4. So we can say that this 4 is the limiting value of the function, and it is nothing but the definition of limit. So today we just discuss about the definition of